What's up, guys? This week we're going to be doing a really easy cocktail, actually, and it's the base for like hundreds of other cocktails. All right, it's called the Milano Torino, so let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we are going to need is 45 mils of a Sweet Vermouth, and then we will need 45 mils of an Amaro, and then we're going to put some ice in there, give it a good stir, whip out a rocks glass with a rock in it, and pour it in there, and then we will garnish it off with an orange peel. And that is all it is, guys. Like, it actually is that simple. It's only a 2-ingredient cocktail. Amaro and Sweet Vermouth. You might also recognize this as the base for a Negroni or an Americano or a Boulevardier or a Rosita or like hundreds of other freaking cocktails, okay? I don't know why I was so shocked to find out that this actually was a cocktail. It makes total sense. Like, why wouldn't it be, right? You add gin in there, it comes a Negroni. You add soda in there, it comes an Americano. Prosecco, Spagliato, right? Like, of course it's going to be a good drink on its own. It's nuts. The Milano Torino was actually created in Milan, the Cafe Camperino in Italy in the 1860s. It was named after its ingredients. So Campari was traditionally made in Milan, and then Sweet Vermouth that they used was like traditionally made in Torino, Italy. So that's why you get Milano Torino. Boom. The classic way would obviously be using Campari, but you can use any bitter red liqueur, really. I did use a barrel-aged Amaro that is local, but go with whatever you guys feel. Obviously, pick a vermouth you enjoy as well, because obviously there's a hefty amount of it in this, both equal parts. The Milano Torino is a cocktail that, in my opinion, is probably the best batchable cocktail possible. Okay, you can drink it on its own, just the 2 ingredients, right? Milano Torino. Or you can pour some in a glass, put a little bit of gin in there, pour some in a glass, put some rye in there, pour some in a glass, put some Prosecco in there, right? It's entirely up to you, but the point is that it's already made for you. It's already batched. You can just add one more ingredient if you choose. So in my opinion, best batchable cocktail, and actually like a very, very enjoyable cocktail. Pick your Amaro and pick your Sweet Vermouth right, you've got yourself a banger. Okay, that is all that I have for you today. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any drinks that you think I should be making up, let me know. If you like these videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. There's gonna be more coming out every single week. All right, but until then, keep stirring. Cheers.